Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you the tutorial I could using to warm up multiple Twitter account automatically, so that will make my account stronger. Okay, so this is my tutorial closing. As you can see in the screen, this tool has many functions. So first is the account management. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Twitter account that you want. Okay, so to warm up Twitter account, I will go to account interaction. So first, I will select the account that I want to go to warm up first. After that, I will select a script that I want to go to warm up, and if you don't have a script, you can choose a script in here and you can make the script that you want. You can make script about interaction personal, you can interact to the follow or triggered or to community or assign. Okay, so you can choose any interaction that you want, like about scroll the feed, like post, repost the post, or bookmark or follow random someone. After that, you save the script and select the script that you already make it. After that, you press start and let the software warm up your account. Okay, so basically I just show you the tutorial using to warm multiple Twitter account automatically. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need the tutorial or more information, you guys can contact me by Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation tutorial.